Sudarshan Chemicals is the largest pigment manufacturing company in India and fourth largest company in the world. We cater to our global customers to world-class manufacturing facility in Maharashtra. The high energy requirement of our manufacturing plant is met through a cogen plant supplying the necessary steam and power. Precise quantity and quality of steam is critical for our pigment manufacturing processes. We wanted a partner with the right expertise and experience to run the power plant with high reliability. Thermax was the obvious choice as our O&M partner.
Thermax has been a leading provider of energy management solutions to the industry. We have built a portfolio of proprietary solutions to run the plant efficiently and deliver the least life cycle cost. At Sudarshan Chemicals, Thermax experts have been operating the plant 24/7, and we have been able to meet all the plant parameters efficiently under variable load conditions. We have also been able to reduce energy consumption through improved heat rate, reduction in fuel consumption, and successful implementation of various improvement projects. One of the key interventions at Sudarshan has been the digitalization of the power plant operations. We have implemented a remote performance monitoring system for the captive power plant and many other solutions like online maintenance monitoring, statutory compliance monitoring, and automation of the water treatment plant.
Thermax has been our partner since the commissioning of the first cogen plant in October 2016. We are very happy with the team consistently maintaining plant availability at 100%. Thermax has also been proactive in implementing various digital initiatives and improvement projects that have helped us reduce energy costs. We appreciate Thermax's commitments towards maintaining world-class safety standards. With Thermax, I am assured that our plant is in reliable and safe hands.